Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up our I/O controller with a Echotech on-off valve. This is an 1.5-inch ball valve, 24 volt. I'll show you how to hook it up to this I/O controller. So these pop out of here for easy access. So I'm going to be hooking into the 24 volt to give it power, and normally open one. Then I need to put a jumper in from the common one to the ground. And how this box works, it's take two 40 volts or a max of 10 amps. But the normally open to the common one is just acting as the relay, and then the 24 volts is giving power to the valve. And that's it for today's video.